We are celebrating 80 years, 80 glorious years of a school that is not just an institution, but a legacy. Not just a school premises, but a cradle of character, discipline, and excellence. 80 years ago, on the 4th of February 1946, a bold vision was that will shape destiny, transform society, or tomorrow came into light. Today, that vision stands. RSS has not only endured, it has flourished. It has produced men and women who have distinguished themselves all across various fields of human endeavors, locally, nationally, and globally. RSS at 80 is there for impact. It is a moment to reflect on our journey, honor our heroes past and present, appreciate our teachers who labor selflessly, and reaffirm our collective responsibility to secure a stronger, more competitive future for this great school. As chairman of the RSS at 80 Planning Committee, I'm proud to say that this celebration has been thoughtfully designed to do three things. Number one, to celebrate our legacy. Number two, to reconnect generations of old students. And number three, to catalyze sustainable development of Remo Secondary School. This anniversary calls on every RSS old student, current students, friends, and stakeholders to move beyond nostalgia and step into stewardship. This is past, and the future depends on what we do today and now. I sincerely appreciate the unwavering support of the National President of RSS Old Student Association, Are Adetola Emmanuel King, and the ESCO, all the various class sets, partners, sponsors, government, especially our governor, Prince Dapo Abiodun, and the Ministry of Education and Technology in Ogun State. Your commitment proves that the RSS spirit is alive, united, and purposeful.